Alright folks, good afternoon. This is Marcel at Newark right now on Central Street Avenue. This is Amtrak Capital Corner Train 736 making its way towards Auburn, Sacramento, Auburn. CAD card is 8309 and 2012 on this set coming over. So this is Amtrak 736 going to Auburn, Sacramento and Auburn. Looks like he's gonna either wait at a red signal here. Not sure. He's going very slowly here. This one is 8309 and 2012. This one is going to Auburn. Sacramento to Auburn, 2012 in the back. The same set I recorded was on 737. Alright folks, taking that train going to Sacramento and going eastbound to Auburn. Continue on to Fremont, Centralville, Hayward, Oakland Coliseum, Oakland, Jatlanda Square, Henryville, Berkeley, Richmond, Martinez, Fairfield, Sasu, Fairfield, Vacaville, Davis, Sacramento, Roseville, Rockland, and the final stop for that train is Auburn. Got another horn on 8309 by CAD car. Alright folks, this is Marcel live here at Newark. And have a good day. Bye-bye.